Nestled near the Dhanasiri River in Assam, the Kachamari Monoliths stand as enduring testaments to the region's rich history. Believed to have been erected during the 15th or 16th century by the Kachari rulers, these structures offer a glimpse into a bygone era. These towering stones, some reaching up to 15 feet, showcase the architectural prowess of their creators. Many of the taller monoliths are adorned with exquisite low-relief carvings, depicting both real and mythical creatures, alongside intricate floral motifs. These artistic elements highlight the cultural and aesthetic sensibilities of the Kachari civilization. The Kachari kingdom, flourishing before the Assam invasion in the 16th century, played a pivotal role in the region's history. The monoliths at Kachamari Pathar stand as silent witnesses to this legacy, reflecting the kingdom's architectural and cultural achievements. Many of these monoliths are believed to be associated with ritualistic practices, ancestral veneration, or major historical events. Today, the Kachamari monoliths continue to captivate visitors and historians alike, offering a tangible connection to Assam's storied past and the enduring legacy of the Kachari rulers.